Hey everyone, Renee Anderson, Gold Premier for Team Posh Basketeers, and today I am here to talk about the #1 Posh hack that I absolutely love. So this Posh hack actually deals with our cheat sheets, eye masks, okay? So I've already used this pouch. So many people say, hey, how many uses can we get out of these? I've gotten 3 uses out of our cheat sheet eye masks. So stay tuned. I'll show you what I do with my fun Posh hack to let you know how you can save money and to use these 3 times over. Wasn't that easy? All you have to do is when you take them off, put them back in your pouch, get the rest of that serum on it. As you could tell when you opened up your first cheat sheets, there is tons of amazing serum that is in there. There's tons of product left. So my first thought was, I know I can use this more because that's just still a lot of product to put all over your face. Even though the directions say put your cheat sheet eye masks on, then take the rest of the product and put it from your décolleté up. And I'm like, that's still a lot of product. So let's make this last longer. Put your cheat sheets back in your pouch, seal it up like this, okay? Put it on your counter, or you could put it in a baggie, but it stays fresh, it stays in there, and you can use them for the rest of the week up to 3 times. I've noticed that after the 3rd time is when the eye mask completely dries out and it's done. So there's your Posh hack. Thanks, you guys.